Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Huntington Bank app. Quick guide step by step clearly. Open the Huntington Bank app on your mobile device. Log in using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu. Look for the Transfer Money option in the menu. Tap on Zelle to start the process. If it's your first time using Zelle, you may need to set it up. Follow the prompts to enter your email address or mobile phone number. Verify your identity if prompted. After verification, return to the Zelle screen. Select Send Money to initiate a transfer. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Type in the amount you wish to send. Add a quick note if you want to include a message. Review the details of your transaction carefully. Once confirmed, tap Send to process the payment. The recipient will receive a notification of the transfer. You can also check the status of your sent payment in the app. If you need to receive money, share your Zelle email or phone number with the sender. Monitor your account for incoming transactions closely. Enjoy the convenience of using Zelle for quick and easy transfers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.